What's up, humans, and welcome to another Psicoactivo today. Okay, third video of the day because something just happened that I have to talk about. President Donald Trump was in an interview where he revealed that he already knows what these drones are. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, these drones have been spotted since the days of the Langley incursions back in November, December 2023. And then in 2024, we had the massive flap of drones in New Jersey and other parts of the country. And while there were some cases that didn't even seem like drones, like the ones from the West Coast in Oregon, which did seem like a genuine UFO, these other drones on the East Coast did seem mechanical, did not seem anomalous, although they did display some characteristics that we don't have today still. And it's one of the biggest mysteries. In 60 Minutes a few months ago, one of the generals of NORAD accepted that they don't know what the drones are. So there seems to be a severe lack of communication within the government between agencies. And we have all wondered what the hell is going on. So let's go through a little time lapse, because last year before the election, President Donald Trump was saying the following about the drones. Shout out to UAP James.
Can you comment on the drones that are flying around New Jersey ports? It seems like the American people have a big distance.
The government knows what is happening. Look, our military knows where they took off from. If it's a garage, they can go right into that garage. They know where it came from and where it went. And for some reason, they don't want to comment. And I think they'd be better off saying what it is. Our military knows and our president knows. And for some reason, they want to keep people in suspense. I can't imagine it's the enemy, because if it was the enemy, they'd blast it out. Even if they were late, they'd blast it. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people, and they should, because the people are really, they happen to be over Bedminster. Want to know the truth.
So yeah, these drones were in Bedminster, where President Trump has a residence, and they were spotted above his residence near the golf course in Bedminster. And then right after he won, he said this.
No,
I think it's terrible. I would like to find out what it is and tell the people.
And can you commit to some kind of...
In fact, I'd like to do that. Could we find out what that was, Susie? Okay. Yeah, why don't we find out immediately? I can't imagine it's an enemy, or there would have been, people would have gotten blown up all over. Maybe they were testing things. I don't know why they wouldn't have said what it was. They had a lot of them flying over Bedminster, which is interesting. Right?
And with the events today and yesterday, was everything moved inside just for cold weather, or was there some kind of security?
No security, because they had everything shut down to drones. You can shut that down pretty easily if you're sophisticated. They're very sophisticated, these people.
That's another one. That was right after he was elected. And then the official press release from Secretary Caroline Leavitt was this. And this is when people got really mad.
After research and study, the drones that were flying over New Jersey in large numbers were authorized to be flown by the FAA for research and various other reasons. Many of these drones were also hobbyists, recreational, and private individuals that enjoy flying drones. In time, it got worse due to curiosity. This was not the enemy. A statement from the President of the United States to start this briefing with some news. And with that, I will turn it over to questions.
Okay, so that got people really angry, because then came along that NORAD general that said that they didn't know. A lot of mixed messages in terms of the drones. There's a lot of people that still believe that these drones are Chinese. And now today, President Donald Trump was asked about this.
I wanted to ask you about drones. We had the issue in New Jersey before the election where there are all these people thought UFOs or an attack of the killer drones.
Check out the initial response from President Donald Trump and tell me if he either slipped and then corrected himself, or it was just a dumb mistake. And this interview was from June 9, 2025. The thing is, it was just made public today by UAP James. I hadn't seen it. So this is what Donald Trump said.
And I believe you're doing something about.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I know I can't tell you who it was and what it was, but
Yeah.
I can't really tell you. I'd love to tell you actually, but it's not a big
Did you see that? He said it's not up, and then he corrected himself.
deal.
It's
But,
not.
It's not a big deal, then he said. But it kind of seemed like he was going to say, it's not up to me. And if that's the case, who's it up to? Who has more power than the president of the United States to talk about this? Maybe I'm just imagining things. I don't know. But that was really important. And I think that UAP James caught it too. That's why he published this. And he has a really keen eye to catch these things. And yeah,
Not something frightening.
No, but I just, so obviously it's something that I know about, and it's not a problem at all.
It was legal.
Oh yeah, that
Yeah.
was legal.
I believe you're doing something about.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I know I can't tell you who it was and what it was, but
Yeah.
I can't really tell you. I'd love to tell you actually, but it's not a big deal.
man, that's kind of difficult. But yeah, that happened back in June 9th. The thing is, I think I know what's happening because Secretary of Transport Sean Duffy just made an announcement that pertains to drones. And alongside this wild announcement that they're going to take a nuclear reactor to the moon, which is crazy to think about, he also said something about drones. Okay, so here it is.
We are going to unleash American drone dominance. So President Trump, not long ago, introduced an executive order to make sure that the cabinet put this issue on the forefront, to make sure that we lean in to our airspace when it relates to drone technology. And the problem we have is that on the consumer drone market, China controls 90% of this market. And the problem with that is we're turning over our skies to one of our main adversaries. Huge problem. And it's going to happen no longer.
So I think that's what it was about. I don't know if these drones were from tech companies in the US that were just testing to see how much more capable than the Chinese drones are. Or I don't know if these were Chinese drones or something else. It's still unclear. But what is clear is that both President Trump and Secretary Sean Duffy know what those drones were, and they're not telling the people. And that is completely unacceptable. I don't know what you guys think about that, but I thought that was important and interesting to talk about because this is arguably one of the unsolved cases about the impunity over the United States airspace. And I know this impunity has persisted for decades. There's been time when it's UFOs. There's been times when probably it's really, really advanced American technology. But this case is different because I don't know what it is. Nobody really does. Nobody but President Trump, apparently. And he's not telling anybody. And I don't know if you guys think the same way. Do you think he slipped? Or do you think he just corrected himself out of a non-important mistake? I don't know. But whatever it is, I think the people need and deserve answers about these things. And just last week, I still saw some reports coming out of Florida and other places that these things are still being sighted in the air and nobody knows what they are. So what's the deal? When are we going to get answers about these drones? If they are American, just let the people know. If they are Chinese, I can understand why you guys maybe are keeping it secret, but people are still scared. That doesn't mean that folks are still not questioning what these things are. And I can see a little bit of desperation and a little bit of frustration coming out of different agencies and politicians talking about it and completely puzzled that we don't know what these are and nobody's saying anything really. So Do you guys think that this is the same project that Secretary Duffy just announced? I think it was yesterday or today. I'm not sure. Or do you think it's something else? Let me know in the comments. And what do you think about Donald Trump's apparent slip? Or maybe it was just a dumb mistake that people just caught, but I don't know. It kind of seemed like he said it was not up to him, or he was going to say that. But let me know what you think. I'll be reading. If you like the content you see, I'm going to ask you to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. That's all you need to do in order to help us, and it is what helps us the most. So thank you. But if you want to support us in other ways, there's a few links down there you can choose from. You can become a member on YouTube, or you can support us through KGRA. Anything you choose to do is always very, very appreciated. So thank you. And all the interviews I've done currently, thanks to KGRA, are on every platform. So you might want to check those out on your preferred platform. Thanks. And that's it for me today on this video, but I'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, stay curious and inquisitive like UAP James. Always. Bye.